Mentakas ngi kladan ka jingmi klumar hatol gate ka badan hasaw mer. Pashi yalong hak babun na kipat ba kilapan pa ko jing sngo halor kani nabar kitu ki kali ki bom dan fastang kilahap ban dan kuna. Hagan ni kapor lawan mi ki kun hunong nya kali hapo ka lama All Jantia Tourist and Commercial Vehicle Association kising bhalang bapher ipakentup ke FKGGP MPUF HNM bat kipat ba nong shnong kilewan ban pesangi yakani kilong balada 4 penbet yakador kani ke tolgit kampat dei ban shimpisa hadu ban penbet da kemui nakaliang ki bor punya distrik nadu SP B marak ki magistrate kilewan ban pelong kejekran bat kiti kiseng Henry haba kejekran kampoi CCA kilara ban yakulet yakundu no UDC.
Fastig is just like a SIM card which is registered to your vehicle number with your mobile number also. There is needed only vehicle registration, that is RC, and your mobile number. When Fastig is issued to your vehicle, this is works like a SIM card. You have to recharge it, and when will you come to the toll gate, there is a scanner or FD reader. They will scan the tag that have a small chip. Microchip is there. There is small and deducted from your wallet account that you have to recharge like 500,000. That amount will be deducted from your Fastig card. With the district registration number ML04, if they do Fastig, they issue the Fastig to their vehicle. They have a facility of 275 rupees pass. With 275 rupees they can move unlimited time from the for only private vehicle.
No, this 275 is for a month now?
For a month.
For a month, unlimited movement.
Unlimited movement for private vehicle or for the ML04 district registration.
Okay.
And second is for the taxi, commercial vehicle, ML04 district registration. There is a facility of with Fastig, they can pay only 15 rupees per trip. If they go, they have to pay 15 rupees. If they come back, they have to pay 15 rupees. 1 5. Okay?
That is irrespective of the registration local taxi?
No.
Yes, irrespective of local taxi.
But it has to be ML04?
No, it's a local taxi. Maybe
No, local taxi
registration
here also it can be 05,
Yes.
04
with
and clearance also.
no sir. Only for district registration.
Warok gitul kita em giga ka emergency road. Dah ini wan lerja kawan le emergency road man lembum. Dan liang kata ibrawai wa immediately ka hapsim ko hapsina ko apan man ko ke emergency road kenang begini ki bukujut system mana lagi ulai baik wan baik lem kawan ke jikta iki. Koman ka lada jia em bukujut system ni tai iu bakli. Buat orang gi im embori untuk iklam ke nahai di non penjat juga ni orang gi del membor iklam sedalhi semampai. Rem ni liang kata haji sket kam keyboard district tu lem gi jimbak kli kawan ke jingjia hap pun baik betul. Bang ada iklam makin tu orang lada mi pun baik immediately kujut sistem kaman man. Dan itu tahu ini liang ke sarkar ngam kerpat ngam rem betul di sarkar wa ibor palat ke ya kini ke tulkit chim gi ke borak ti yongki